Have you ever dreamed of a career in the concert industry, but never knew how to turn that dream into a reality? The Concert Career Pathways program can bridge that gap by providing youth with the professional training necessary for successful careers in the live music industry. CCP is a free 9-month job training program for young people aged 17 to 25 in the Bay Area. Our comprehensive training combines hands-on experience with online learning and includes paid internships, industry tours, networking opportunities, workshops, and much more. Interns receive in-depth training in a variety of fields including talent buying, lighting design, sound engineering, venue operations, and marketing. By working alongside UC Theater staff, our interns learn all the skills necessary to adapt to the modern workplace. The CCP program also includes mentorships for participants with previous experience in the live music industry who want to advance their careers. Mentees receive individualized support from industry professionals to complete their own self-guided projects. Apply now to the Concert Career Pathways program to make your dream of working in the music industry a reality.